What's up, everyone? Today we're making some promotional backpacks. As you guys can see right here, we're knocking these things out. We've got about 45 of them, so we're gonna go through the process of taking the blank backpacks, bringing them over to the heat press, and knocking them out. We're doing this on the Ricoma 16x20 heat press and using super color promotional transfers. These things are sick and highly recommend them. So as you see, we're gonna start off. We're gonna use a few things to get these things to work properly, because these can be a little bit tricky with how wrinkly they get. So what we're gonna do is take a big rectangle pad and we're gonna put it in the initial pocket size. Throw it down here, boom. Then what we're gonna do is, what I like to do, especially for this specific backpack, some of them you don't have to do this, but I've noticed, at least for these ones, this is what works best for me. So if you guys have different things that work good for you, then by all means let us know in the comments. But I take the small square, and before I do anything, I like to kind of roughly place it where I'm going to put it, then hold it up to the press just for a few seconds. Just kind of get some of the wrinkles away from it, because these are a little bit trickier to get completely flattened out. So I'm going to position the square pad under here to about roughly where I want it. I'm going to take this zipper, pull the zipper up, and I'm actually going to pull the backpack to where I'm not crushing or pushing down on the zipper right there. Like this spot, we're gonna go ahead, grab our super color promotional transfer. We go by right here. Now, I will say I could use a little bit bigger pad in here, but this has been working and getting me by. And we're just gonna roughly place this thing. Got it right there. Taking our Teflon sheet, a couple sheets for this one, laying it over the top, and we're gonna be pressing for 10 seconds at 320 degrees. Go ahead, press that down. Let it go. It's a hot peel. Don't be afraid to pull it off. We're gonna grab a corner and get it right off there and show you the finished result. So like that, boom, easy. Steam coming off. Let's pull these pads out. Be careful, it's gonna be a little warm, obviously. So I know some people wear gloves, some people don't, but just like that, we have our promotional cinch backpack coming out looking great. These are a great product for athletic clubs, you know, your personal stuff, whatever it may be. If you have a business that you want to promote, these cinch backpacks are really affordable. We got these specific ones from Sanmar wholesale. So if you guys want to get these same exact ones that we're using, go to sanmar.com, make sure you get an account, and we're going to keep cranking these out. We already made a whole bunch of shirts for this order as well. These came out super clean. We got the district long sleeve with the logo and American flag on the sleeve, and then we use jerseys for the adult long sleeves, and really love how this whole order came out. Thank you so much to Ridgecrest Wrestling Club. We appreciate your continued business. If you guys did enjoy this quick little video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.